That's a nice face, Brene. Why is your face so long?
My bird.
Wait till we get in the light so we can see your face. Now say it.
My bird flew away.
It doesn't look like you're pretty sad when you say that. You laugh.
It's alright, because I'm going to buy 2 new ones.
Again, you're laughing, so it doesn't, nobody can take you serious.
You want me to cry? I'm a bad crier.
You're a bad crier?
Push and pull. There we go.
Push and pull?
Push and then pull. Got it.
I'm glad I got you on tape saying that.
I'm glad I got you drawing diagrams of genitalia in my bathtub.
You're just going to make stuff up on camera today?
I will make
my own tape. Stuff up. You
drew blue balls.
Just because I used a blue marker doesn't mean I've been drawing blue balls all day, okay, Brene?
Okay, my bird's over there somewhere. And you didn't even go save it.
Look at me. Do I look like I save birds?
Rated as clear or minimal at
She's looking for it.
to fight infections and increase your risk of infection. Some infections require hospitalization. Before starting Solara, your doctor should test for tuberculosis.
Steven, look at it. Like she's really fidgeting.
Always tell your doctor if you
It's a finch.
No, but she's like
cancer.
up and down. She's
Alert
looking.
your doctor of new or worsening problems.
No.
She's even like squeaking, like you know, like how I send out like a distress call and they wait in your bathroom.
So talk to her.
Serious allergic
I can't talk. Like
You're lonely and white. She's lonely and white. You got a lot in common right now.
You'll discover how in another
Talk to her. Talk her through.
I don't know what to say. I feel like it's all my fault.
It is. I mean, don't get me wrong on that.
Oh, but you know what though? Let's not take the blame because that bird.
No, you should take the blame. Because it's your fault.
It's not my fault. I had the door open. I put my arm in to get something out. He flew out like past my. I mean, the opening is not too. I mean, it's big, but it's not that big. But it needs a small bird. But really, you can hit back behind the cage. They don't.
Try to get out.
Right, he tried to get out. He's successful at it, apparently. And now she's...
So who was the smarter one on that little,
Well, they had never seen sunshine before, so I thought maybe we had a chance, you know? Like,
so you could just, you think since it didn't see sunshine, you could just open the door,
I think it was...
and it would just be like, oh man, sunshine, it's blinded me, I can't...
Well, I felt like maybe it was like a new thing, so I'd want to stay in the cage. Anything else? I mean, it's cold outside.
Some survivors travel in packs, like these members of the Outlaw Bike.
I really... Look, Steven, it's looking for it. It's up to look at this. It's jittery. It's everything. It's not even calming down. It hasn't stopped moving since... That was her bird. They were having sex before I even took them outside. That's Pilates.
Alright, explain to me what you're attempting to do so I can laugh at you.
I have a bird in the box. And the bird is the thing. I got its friend. I bought its friend today.
Okay, start over because you sound retarded.
I'm gonna put the bird in the cage.
Okay, there again. Cut. Look here, I'm
putting the bird in the cage. Cause I bought a bird today. It's in a box.
Maybe I should start the video. Hold on, I'll start the video over. Alright, start. Well, Brene. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Catch it, Brene, look. Oh, it's retarded.
Oh my god. Okay, what do we do?
Pick it up.
Okay. I don't.
Just grab with your hand. What's wrong with you? There's a sweater and all kinds of stuff. Just pick it up. As many animals as you done killed, just reach down.
If I pick it up, you go.
Alright, I got you.
No, don't be...
Let's split this one out, and then it'll be really fun.
Okay, little bird, I'm not going to hurt you. It looks so scared. Is it hurt? It's sitting kind of
It's probably dead now, but it's been laying there for... Look here, I got it. 32 seconds now.
Okay. Okay, I don't know how to do this. I don't want to kill it.
Oh.
Oh!
It's good.
Okay, it's good?
It's good, Brene.
Okay, it's good?
Just go grab it.
I'm sorry, little bird. I really...
It's getting dark now, so
looks sick.
I'm going to need you to get back into the light.
It's going to peck me a little bit.
Brene, so what?
Oh, okay.
Catch it! Catch it! That'd be awesome! I got that on the video.
Open the door.
Did you get it?
No. Let's look at me.
Renee, just go grab. Pick it up.
It's not as easy as it looks to just pick it up.
Then get a bag and put it in the bag. Look, there's a bag right there. Empty the bag.
Maybe I can get it to fly back inside the box.
Yeah, that'll work out like a charm. It's not my bird, not my problem.
Come here. Stop it. You're okay.
It's like someone clipped its wing and can't fly very well.
I'm going to name you Passive. You got a lot.
I'm going to name you Promise because you got a lot of problems. Renee, it's dark over here. Just catch the bird or at least put it in the light so I can see it.
Here.
See, that other bird is laughing at you. Renee, over its head. What, are you going to grab its feet?
I just wanted to... It's okay. Come here. Come.
It's too dark. I'm stopping it.
He just looks so sad.
He's in a cage.
Yeah, but he's in a nice cage.
I'm glad I caught it and I put it in there and it's your... Look here.
But it got in there. That's all that matters, really. It doesn't matter how you did it. It just matters that today we saved a life. I feel happy. Look, it's going to go up to him and peck it because it's an asshole.
Renee, it's not doing anything. It's
It went up to it and it pecked it.
It didn't.
That bird is so traumatized. That's going to die. That bird's going to die. And did she get the bird that I asked for? I asked that lady how many times I asked her for that bird? And
That's the one you got.
No, that's the opposite. That's the exact one I said I didn't want. You remember, because it looks kind of sick. It looks a little young.
He's blinking off floats. He's drinking.
The other one is so much bigger than her.
I feel like it's good.
What better way of walking yourself back to the road than by sliding on it on your face?
Really? It's only got 2 minutes on it.
It's 2 minutes of you crying like a little girl.